The pyramids of ancient Egypt stand as enduring symbols of power, ambition, and ingenuity. While their practical purpose as tombs for pharaohs is well documented, their monumental nature reveals a deeper significance. These colossal structures were built as statements of the pharaoh's divine authority in their quest for immortality. The pyramids' immense size and grandeur were designed to immortalize the ruler's name and ensure their place in the annals of history. Beyond their function, the symbolic aspects of the pyramids are equally fascinating. The triangular shape of the pyramid represents the rays of the sun, emphasizing the pharaoh's connection to Ra, the sun god. The pyramid's apex points to the heavens, symbolizing the journey of the soul to the afterlife. Additionally, their strategic locations, often near the Nile, underline their importance in both the physical and spiritual landscape of ancient Egypt. The construction of these pyramids also involved a highly organized labor force, reflecting the social and political strength of the pharaoh's reign. The sheer scale of the Great Pyramid of Giza, which required millions of limestone blocks, showcases the logistical and engineering prowess of the ancient Egyptians. Furthermore, inscriptions and relics found in and around the pyramids reveal detailed accounts of the workers' lives, their tools, and the ceremonial rituals that surrounded the building process. The pyramids were not just physical structures, but also representations of the cosmic order. Every block and angle was imbued with meaning, serving as a bridge between the mortal and divine. The choice of materials, from the gleaming white Tura limestone to the golden capstone believed to crown the pyramid, reflected the Egyptians' dedication to honoring their gods and ensuring the pharaoh's safe passage to the afterlife. The role of gods and afterlife. In ancient Egyptian culture, the afterlife was not just a belief but a certainty. The pharaohs were seen as living intermediaries between the gods and the people, embodying divine power. Upon death, their journey to the afterlife was guided by intricate rituals and the blessings of gods such as Anubis, Osiris, and Ra. The journey to the afterlife was fraught with challenges, as depicted in the Book of the Dead, a collection of spells, prayers, and incantations. These texts, often inscribed on the walls of tombs or written on papyri, provided the deceased with instructions on how to navigate the dangers of the underworld. The ultimate goal was to reach the Field of Reeds, a paradise where the soul would live eternally. But the pyramid's design and orientation were intricately tied to this belief system. Many pyramids align with celestial bodies, linking the pharaoh's soul to the cosmic order. For instance, the alignment with the rising and setting sun symbolized the pharaoh's eternal rebirth. The connection to Ra, who traveled across the sky during the day and navigated the underworld at night, reinforces the belief in the pharaoh's divine transformation and their eventual reunion with the gods. In addition to their alignment, the intricate artwork and carvings within the pyramids further illustrate the spiritual journey. Scenes of the weighing of the heart ceremony, where the deceased's heart was measured against the feather of Ma'at, truth and justice, underscore the moral and ethical dimensions of the afterlife. The successful completion of this ritual granted the soul eternal life, while failure condemned it to oblivion. Rituals conducted during the burial process were equally elaborate. Priests performed purification rites, offered sacrifices, and recited sacred texts to protect the deceased from malevolent forces. The placement of canopic jars containing the pharaoh's organs, the intricate mummification process, and the burial of treasures and provisions for the afterlife all reflected the Egyptians' meticulous attention to ensuring a smooth transition to the next world. The pyramid's symbolic alignment. One of the most fascinating aspects of the pyramids is their precise alignment with celestial phenomena. The Great Pyramid of Giza, for example, is aligned with the stars of the Orion constellation, which the ancient Egyptians associated with Osiris, the god of the afterlife. This alignment was not accidental, but rather a deliberate attempt to connect the earthly realm with the divine cosmos. The Egyptians believed that the pharaoh's soul would ascend to the stars and merge with the gods, ensuring their immortality. The shafts within the pyramids, often directed towards specific stars, were thought to serve as channels for the soul's journey. This celestial symbolism reinforces the belief that the pyramid was a gateway to the heavens. Furthermore, the precise orientation of the pyramids, with the cardinal points north, south, east, and west, demonstrates the Egyptians' advanced knowledge of astronomy and mathematics. The alignment with the stars, particularly Sirius, the brightest star in the night sky, played a significant role in their agricultural calendar and religious ceremonies. This celestial connection reflects the integration of practical and spiritual life in ancient Egypt. Astronomical alignments also extended to the solstices and equinoxes. These events marked significant points in the solar calendar and were celebrated with grand festivals. The interplay between light and shadow on specific days of the year, particularly in the temple complexes associated with pyramids, symbolized the eternal cycle of life and death, reinforcing the pharaoh's divine role in maintaining cosmic harmony. The pyramid as a microcosm of the universe. The pyramid structure reflects the ancient Egyptians' understanding of the universe. Its shape embodies the connection between the earth, the heavens, and the underworld, creating a microcosm of the cosmos. The internal chambers and passageways mirror the pharaoh's journey through these realms, leading ultimately to eternal life. The placement of the burial chamber deep within the pyramid symbolizes the womb of the earth, where rebirth occurs. Meanwhile, the pyramid's apex represents the heavens, the ultimate destination of the soul. This intricate design reflects the Egyptians' profound spiritual understanding and their desire to replicate the universe within the pyramid's confines. Moreover, the construction techniques used to build the pyramids reveal the Egyptians' attempt to reflect cosmic harmony. The use of the golden ratio and precise measurements suggests an understanding of universal principles. The pyramid's layout and proportions echo the balance and order that were central to Egyptian cosmology. The Great Pyramid's internal structures, including the King's Chamber, Queen's Chamber, and the Grand Gallery, each hold symbolic significance. The ascending and descending passageways represent the duality of life and death, while the air shafts connecting the chambers to the exterior symbolize the soul's ascent to the divine realm. Each element of the pyramid's architecture tells a story of spiritual aspiration and cosmic unity, unveiling the secrets of the pyramids. Despite centuries of exploration and study, the pyramids remain shrouded in mystery. Theories abound about the hidden knowledge encoded in their construction, from advanced mathematical principles to astronomical observations. Scholars suggest that the pyramids served not only as tombs, but also as observatories and repositories of sacred knowledge. Recent discoveries, such as hidden chambers and tunnels detected using advanced scanning technology, continue to fuel speculation about their purpose. Some hypothesize that these chambers may contain relics or texts that could shed light on ancient Egyptian science and spirituality. The enduring fascination with the pyramids invites us to delve deeper into Egyptian mythology and the secrets they hold. They are more than architectural marvels. They are gateways to understanding an ancient civilization's vision of life, death, and the universe. By exploring the connections between mythology and these monumental structures, we uncover a legacy of profound wisdom and an unyielding quest for immortality. Hint: the enduring legacy of Egyptian mythology and pyramids. As we reflect on the intricate connections between Egyptian mythology and the pyramids, it becomes evident that these structures were far more than tombs. They were expressions of a worldview that sought to bridge the earthly and the divine, the mortal and the eternal. The pyramids encapsulate the aspirations of an entire civilization, serving as a testament to their ingenuity, spirituality, and vision of the cosmos. Today, the pyramids continue to inspire awe and curiosity. They remind us of humanity's capacity for creativity and our enduring desire to seek meaning beyond the physical world. As we uncover their secrets, we gain not only a deeper understanding of ancient Egypt, but also a greater appreciation for the timeless quest to connect with the mysteries of existence.